our project was a thermal solar panel. The question was, what type of color does the cardboard tube of the thermal panel need to be to maximize temperature gain?
The hypothesis. We have predicted that the darker the background is, the higher the temperature will be. To find the answer to this problem, we put different colored paper as a background.
Materials. We use different colors of paper. We use blue tack, temperature props, a straw, small plastic pipettes, and 4 milliliters of water, and a timer.
The constant variable. We tried hard to keep the distance from the light and the experiment the same. It was approximately 30 centimeters, as well as keeping the location of the experiment the exact same.
The independent variable. The background color pink, purple, blue, black, and aluminum.
The dependent variable. We measured the heat of the water.
The procedure. First, we cut a window into a cardboard tube. Second, we cut a small 3 millimeter hole on each side. Third, we attach the first background color on the inside. Fourth, stick the tube through the 2 holes. Fifth, add water through the tubes. Sixth, add a thermometer to the tube on one side. 7, add a light and after 1 minute, measure the amount of degrees. 8, repeat steps 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 with a different background color.
The conclusion. Our hypothesis was, we predicted that the darker the background is, the higher the temperature will be. To find the answer to the problem, we put different colored paper as a background. To conclude, the experiment proved that some of the backgrounds caused higher temperatures in the water and some caused less. As we predicted, it was the darker backgrounds that made the temperature in the water higher, since it attracted more from the light. We know this because of the table.
This was proven from our results, which were that with the black background it attracted the most heat, whilst the silver reflected the light better, making the silver less heat attracted. We had some videos to show us how this affected the world.
We are investigating solar thermal power. Some people use black pipes and water inside on the roof, causing sunlight to hit the black pipes and heat water naturally from showers, heating your house, etc. This works because the color black would absorb light, the white would do the opposite, reflect light. This would cause the black color to also gain more heat, and white to have less. This helps solve the problem of climate change because of the procedure of using color black naturally for heating your house. House water is organic and does not produce any CO2 or fossil fuel energy.
Throughout this experiment, we had several errors. One of the errors was the amount of light that hit the experiment, because we had a lamp hitting the experiment, but there could have been more light from the sun hitting it. And how long the experiment was under light, because sometimes we might have been a second over time. The amount of water in the tube, you couldn't really have an exact amount in the tube because it was hard to get an exact amount with the pipette. And the distance from the light, sometimes the experiment might have moved when we place it back down. And we hope you liked our experiment. Thank you.